Looking for a pressure cooker without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best pressure cookers under $100 ranked. Number 5 is this 6-quart 9-in-1 pressure cooker, our best budget pick. For just $67, you get a modern touchscreen with 12 presets and a big 6-quart pot for the whole family. The only downside is it's a lesser-known brand with fewer reviews. Coming in at number 4 is the CARORI 9-in-1 pressure cooker, our best touchscreen option. This one also comes in at just $67, offering a sleek touchscreen with 12 presets and a non-stick 6-quart pot, plus loads of built-in safety features. Our number 3 pick is the Comfy 12-in-1 pressure cooker, our most functions choice. With a fantastic 4.7-star rating, this $73 model boasts 14 presets and a 24-hour delay timer, and it even comes with handy accessories. Next up at number 2 is the Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart, our most popular pick. For $89, you get the legendary Instant Pot with over 180,000 reviews, offering 7 appliances in one and cooking up to 70% faster. Just remember, the Mini holds 3 quarts, so it's best for 1 or 2 people. And our top pick, number 1, is the Instant Pot Oreo Wide 7.5 quart, our best overall winner. For $99, this huge 7.5 quart capacity is perfect for families, featuring a wide base that's great for searing and quiet, whisper-quiet steam release. So there you have it, the top 5 pressure cookers under $100, with the Instant Pot Oreo Wide taking our top spot. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.